This section covers viewing the results of a feature. After a feature has been measured, it is stored in the feature database. If the database is not visible, it can be activated by clicking the icon shown. Then clicking the feature database icon. To view the stored information, double-click the name of the feature. The information is displayed in the second database window. The coordinate values for the plane, PLN1, are shown here, with the form value shown here. To view the values of a different feature, click the feature name, and the values are updated. Here are the values for the circle, CIR1. The coordinates and form are shown, along with the diameter of the circle. To close this view, click the cross at the top of the feature property page. This is a quick method to view measured features. It is important to remember that the values displayed are always from the current coordinate system.
If you enjoyed this content, please like the video and subscribe to this channel. Also click the bell to be kept up to date with new videos.